Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be fishing at a lake in North Carolina, and this is a lake that I've fished at before, but only once, and I did catch a pretty nice fish, so I had some confidence going into the day, and the weather was starting to warm. I start off fishing with a wacky rigged Senko. This one is a copper and chartreuse color, and this is the same color that I caught a fish on this lake before, so I felt pretty good about it. I've now made a move to the other side of the lake, and I'm trying to fish around some kind of cover for the fish because out in the open parts, it didn't seem like there was much activity. So I was trying to find where they might be hiding, and I was thinking that the wood could be holding some heat from the warm temperature that might attract the fish to them. Look at that bird. Oh yeah, buddy. This is the stuff right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is where I want to be. This looks good. I don't know what I'm going to do to get out of here or to land a fish, but you know, I can figure that out after I land it, right? One step at a time. Right? I've switched to a spinnerbait, and I'm trying to just reel that along all this wood and fallen stuff around the edges and see if I can't attract a bite that way.
Somebody has tried this before. And likely failed. There's that tree branch. It's
Because I wasn't having any luck, I also decided to try out a red lipless crankbait.
there's a fish. Fish. Let's go. That's a nice one. Okay. Let's go. Sweet. First bass of North Carolina and of the year. This is my first fish of the year. Beautiful. All right. And going like that.
Thank you for watching this video. Only caught the one fish, but I was still excited to have caught something in a place that I don't fish very often. And I got to see this cool encounter of these ducks and a snapping turtle. So enjoy that, and I'll catch you in the next one.